Yeah, it's correct.
Wow, so we just headed outside now. We're just following this trail to go down to the crocodiles. And we came across this tree. Look at this tree, man. Jeez, look at the roots. Wow. Look at this tree. Wow. Guys, I don't know if the camera is doing this justice, but it's huge. Oh man. My God. Look at this tree, man. This is huge. I don't know if I'm getting old, guys, but I'm here admiring a tree. That's where my life has come to these days. Look at this. This is incredible. Look at it. Look how big it is. You can actually fit 2 people in there. Well, more people. Wow. This is incredible. And while I am recording this beautiful tree and not paying attention, I have to remember that we came to this place to see big crocodiles. So yeah. I mean, you know how old this tree is? You know how old it is?
How old?
Yeah.
I think it's.
I'm going to guess
100 years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, this looks really old.
Yeah. But maybe somewhere inside there.
I see another one. Remember the one we saw yesterday? What's the name of that community? Wow, this is incredible.
Weißt du, was ich das sein? Auch ein Baum ist. Das ist,
Yeah, this is it's incredible. Couple fold. Yeah, guys, so just walking down to the crocodiles now. Oh, sheesh. You didn't even see that, did you? You didn't even see those, did you? Whoa. Whoa. Okay, first sign, do not touch any crocodile without the advice of the pool guide. Now, you do not have to tell me twice. Oh, man. Hey. Okay, guys, so this is a first for me. I've never seen a croc before. It's the absolute first time I'm seeing a croc. Yeah, it's my first time. Yeah, this is the first time ever. Just like that, I revealed I'm not well traveled. Yeah. Oh my days. Wow. Hey. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, my survival instincts are peaking right now. On a scale of 1 to 10, it's a 10. Look at that. Alright. Make sure you're always in front of me, alright? Okay, my friend? Wow, look at that. Yeah, this is a first for me.
Some of the crocodiles are outside here.
Wow.
Here we have almost 100 crocodiles. You can see. But
Look at this guy.
We can tell you how many. Because baby crocodiles have two mates. But whenever the female have a baby, they will hide their babies because of competition between 2 males. So some of the big males, they will kill the baby males and leave the females alive. That's why when the female have a baby, she will either underground to hide the babies or she go outside and pick up the babies. So this is why exactly we cannot say how many crocodiles, but we can say almost 100. Because they can breed once in a year, but some every 2 years only once. But one crocodile at the same time can live from 20 to 30 eggs. So here, we have to reduce the egg just to control the population. But any egg we take from them, that egg will be infertile. Because the egg will not stay outside the egg. We bury the eggs on the ground for 3 months. The fertility of the egg and the size of the baby all can be determined by temperature. But so many people coming here would like to see the size of the egg. So we keep something on the side, just for example. So maybe you people can like one for omelette because it's a very sweet. You know what crocodile? But you see here, why these crocodiles are very calm, because here they don't hunt for food. We just buy and treat them. So we give them only fish as a food, no meat. Because if they eat meat, maybe they get a taste. I give them fish, that's something. So every day early morning before the visitors come, we feed them. Because when they eat in the morning, they get the food they can make for the whole day, not hungry. That's why they're very lazy. So now any visitors come, we will try to make it touch one, take a picture. Would you allow to touch all the body? And also, when you taking a picture, I stay away from the head 1 to 2 meters. You see, all these ones are all friendly ones. We can take any of them. But because this one is lying in a very open place.
Yeah.
So
Big dog, where you going, big dog?
just to show you that they are not plastic.
Yeah, real, yeah.
My G, okay, my G. Come this direction. This guy is brave.
One by one, we make nice photos.
Yo.
She first wants to check whether you guys
Wow.
are not.
My friend, where's your photo? Give it to someone. Someone take a picture for you.
Yeah, I took a picture.
Jeez.
Big boy.
Alright, so
Go down. Go down and make it beautiful.
my guys, like, they're not very aggressive because here they feed them. They don't have to hunt for food. And while I am recording this and slowly drifting in this direction, then I look around and I see this bad boy right there. Yeah, focus, my friend. All right, so I want to go in for a touch, but big man is looking. I'm not the luckiest guy in the world. Hey. Ha. Hey.
Go away. Go here.
I'm gonna make my friend record me touching the. Yeah.
Ah, you want that?
Let me face my fears.
Don't be scared. They are lovely.
Right, crikey. This is a beauty we have here. Okay, something written off my bucket list. I have touched a crocodile. Yard mother brad. Oh, hey, bro, it wasn't me. It wasn't me, no, it wasn't me. Okay. Yeah. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna head over back to where my back is against the wall. Yes. Let me put my back against the wall where I know what is behind me. But yeah, Yardman, bro, this is one of the tourist attractions. As you can see, there's a few tourists here, and it's still quite. It's like 1 o'clock or almost 1 o'clock right now. You can see some tourists out here just enjoying. You can touch the crocodile. I just touched the crocodile, eh? Yes, Yardman, bro. I'm about to walk through the valley of the shadow of. All right. Must remember. Yeah. With my luck, with knowing my luck, today might be the first day.
Yeah. Push you in front of us.
Oh man. Look at these. Look at that. Wow.
Okay, now here. It's just cooling down. So here we have a small room that is used by many people in the Gambia for traditional prayer. Because locally, many Gambian people see this place as a holy place. Because this pool and the crocodile is a natural habitat. These crocodiles have been living here before people. And the pool was founded by one big family called Bojang family. This Bojang are the first family to settle in this town. So when they came here more than 500 years ago, they founded this pool with the crocodiles here. That's why today Gambian people see it as a sacred place. Now, traditionally, some people come here to pray in different occasions. But most of them, they are ladies because of fertility problem. So when they come for the tradition, I have to take shower water from the pool and they bring to the bar from here. So the lady will just pray and then take shower with the water. Some do it, it works because they have a baby later, and the first baby, they name the baby after this place, Kachikally. Kachikally means holy place in the local language. But some also do it. It doesn't work because it's a belief. You have to believe it before you try. So sometimes even politicians, businessmen, and school children, when they wish for good luck, they also come and try. So this tradition is like animist. It's not for Muslims, not for Christians, just for anyone who believes. This is why today, all the Gambian currency, you look inside, you find crocodile head there. Any Gambian that see today, no crocodile head, it's a fake money. Because before, there was almost 3 fake crocodile pools in the Gambia.
See, this is the start of every horror movie. One idiot decides to venture away from the group, following a crocodile away from the tour guide and away from the tour group. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. No Jaws business around here. Let me go back with the group. Look at this tree. This one is falling, but still maintaining life. This is a very cool spot. You know, it's definitely worth a visit. Very interesting. I just learned some very interesting facts about the crocodiles as well. More knowledge for my data bank, I suppose. Yeah, man. Man abroad, welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome to my channels. Do like, share, and subscribe. This is probably going to be a standalone video by itself, but yeah, this is really cool. Real interesting facts about the crocodiles.
Because this is natural.
You can see them over there in the pool. We're looking at dinosaurs here, people. Now, the guide was saying the reason why they don't really come after us is because they are fed fish. These ones have been fed fish from a very young age, so they're used to the taste of fish. Anything else don't really make sense to them, so that's why they weren't coming after us. But yeah, this is a cool place to visit. You can take pictures with them, take pictures yourself, and yeah, enjoy it. So they have the museum here and they have the crocodile pool. Yardman abroad, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for coming on my African journey, guys. Love these trees, man. Very cool little park. Not too big, not too much to stretch your feet, but you know, enough to hold the museum and the museum over there, and the crocodile pool, and the little ledge there where you can, you know, really get up close and personal with the crocodiles. I think I'm gonna end this video right here, guys, but enjoying my African adventure. Thank you for coming along with me. Yardman abroad, the thing large. Make sure you visit this place. Boom.